You're looking at the LG LSGL5830 gas range. This isn't a professional range or even one of the most fully featured models out there, but it delivers solid value, especially between $999 to $1199. So if you're looking to spend a bit less and still get decent performance, this range is a smart alternative, whether it's for your main kitchen, a development project, or as an in-law suite. The cooktop has 4 sealed burners, including a 20,000 BTU ultra heat power burner. That's the same output you'll find on a Wolf dual fuel range, and actually more powerful than many pro ranges from brands like Thermador. You also get two 9100 BTU burners and a 5000 BTU simmer. And with continuous grates, you can slide pots around easily without lifting. The oven offers a 5.8 cubic foot of capacity, which is slightly larger than the average. Most gas ranges will fall between 5.3 to 5.5. You'll get convection cooking along with all the standard baking modes. It also includes an air fry setting. Now that sounds great, but like every air fry mode in a full-size oven, it doesn't deliver the crisp results you'll get from a countertop air fryer. For cleaning, you get two options: LG's Easy Clean, which uses steam and low heat for light spills, and a traditional self-cleaning cycle for heavier messes. It's a front control range, which gives you a clear view of your backsplash with no bulky back guard blocking the sightline. The design also makes it incredibly flexible. You install it in place of a freestanding range, the end of a cabinet run, or even on its own because of its finished sides. This range typically sells between $999 and $1199 depending on the promotion. At that price, you're getting a surprisingly powerful cooktop burner, convection, 2 cleaning modes, and a flexible design, which is similar to or a bit better than you'll find in many GE or Samsung models at the same price. It's not packed with luxury features, but if you're trying to keep your budget in check, this range gives you a lot of function for the money. There are trade-offs. You're only getting one high-output burner. Most competitors in LG's better models include 2, plus a griddle burner in the center. The oven is slightly smaller than LG's 6.3 cubic foot and uses standard convection. With their higher-end models, you'll get pure convection, which pushes the heat from the back for more even results, especially baking. Some brands even offer a warming drawer or a secondary baking drawer instead of simple storage. Those kind of upgrades can easily add $1,500 to $2,000 to the cost of the range. So if you're looking for a decent, flexible gas range without blowing the budget, this LG is a solid choice. Delivers decent performance, convection, and front control design that works in almost any layout. And you can see this range in one of our 6 showrooms: Boston, Framingham, Hanover, Hyannis, Nantucket, and Norton. And in most cases, we can deliver the same day or next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the showroom.